Hello and welcome to these tutorials on game development using a game development pipeline. And I made a small mini game development pipeline so that way when you go through this, you'll understand what it takes to make a game in the simplest pipeline that we can possibly use. So in essence, we'll be covering all the aspects of game development. The first video will be on mindset. And that's going to answer a series of questions on mindset, such as why is mindset important for game development, how to develop a growth mindset, what are common obstacles in game development and how to overcome them, and how to stay motivated and focused during the game development process. We are going to answer those questions in the video. Second video will be developing a solid folder structure, and we'll be answering questions like why is solid folder structures important, how to create folder structure to suit your project needs, and I'll give you guys a utility to allow you to do that. What are the essential folders that should be included in your game project or your project in general? The folder structure video can be used in games or can be used in any project that you perform that you feel like that you need a folder structure to be able to maintain the documents and folders and assets and all those sort of things that you should be including in your project. How to organize your assets and scripts and appropriate folders. So we'll be talking about that. And the third video is going to be on documentation. That's like game development documentation, task lists, all README files, those sort of things, and where they go inside of the folder structure. We'll be answering questions like why is documentation so important for game development? What are essential documents that should be included in your project? How to create a game development document. We'll be going over that. And also we'll be talking about how to make things more specific, for your folder structure. The final question we'll be answering is how to maintain and update your documentation throughout the game development pipeline, because documentation is sort of a living document. It grows as your project grows and it becomes more refined as well. The final video will be on developing the game itself, downloading those assets, IDEs, and text editors, photo editors, and all that sort of thing that we'll be needing. We'll be answering questions in that one regarding where to find assets, how to download them, what are IDEs, and what are the best IDEs to use. And I don't like to say the word best IDEs. I'm just meaning for our pipeline, the best IDE, the text editors, photo editors, 3D editors, and game development environments that we'll be using. How to install and to configure the tools of game development. We'll be doing that. And we'll also answer how to use these tools to enhance your game development process. And that will be the final video. So stay tuned. And I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you.